Hello lovelies, I am jumping straight into today's video. I have just popped a pie in the oven for dinner and I thought I would do a bit of cleaning whilst the pie cooks. And first off, I am going to clean out my fridge. I'm going to do the groceries tomorrow and I just want to see what I have and what I need to get rid of. I'm going to pop any of the scraps of vegetables that I no longer need into this container with the blue lid, and I'll pop it back in the fridge tomorrow so I can give it to my chickens. And that is my cat in the background squawking. But I hope you guys really enjoy this video today. I hope it gives you all the motivation that you need. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a stay-at-home mum. I am married to my husband Chris and we have 3 beautiful children and we live in sunny Queensland, Australia. Here on my channel I have lots of cleaning and organizing videos, 1 to motivate me and 2 hopefully motivate you too. So if you enjoyed today's video, I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. And if you do enjoy this video today, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up. But I'm going to stop chatting for a while and pop on some really good music and let's get cleaning. So I mentioned we are having a pie for dinner and I did not make the pie. I actually purchased it from the local bakery. It was a rainy day here and I wanted something warm and comforting. We did have a HelloFresh meal that we were going to cook, but it was burgers and I just really felt like something comforting. Will was meant to have football training this afternoon, but it was cancelled due to the rain. So I just thought what an easy meal, and then I could film this video for you guys as well. I don't normally clean my fridge every night, but as I mentioned, I was going to the groceries the next day, so I do like to every week just wipe everything out and then once a month give the fridge freezer a really good clean out. So that's all I'm doing tonight, and I'm just getting any rubbish in the bin so I can take it out as well. I'm also going to write on our meal plan board, which is above my Thermomix there, so that way the kids can see what we're having for dinner for the week. I don't go day by day. Sometimes it might change. Like for instance, this evening I ended up getting a pie and not having HelloFresh, but generally we do go via what is on the menu board.
I know this could be the night.
So I still had some more time up my sleeve before the pie was ready, so I thought I would give everything a good dust in the living room, and I'm just using the Wood for Good cleaner and a e-cloth dusting cloth. And I'm just sharing with you here that there actually is dust when I am cleaning. Sometimes it looks like you're cleaning a clean room. Trust me, there is always dust, dirt and grime, cat hair, you name it. It is always there. It just doesn't always come up on the camera.
But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason.
So we have eaten our dinner and we actually ate in the kitchen this evening. So I'm just going to pop my plate into the dishwasher. The kids had stacked theirs up onto the sink. I don't know why my children do not just directly pack it into the dishwasher, but they never do. Please let me know I'm not the only one. But I'm just going to quickly hand wash this chopping board up as well, and then wipe it over the sink with the Fairy dishwashing spray, and then dry it off with the tea towel and replace it with a nice fresh one.
The way you make me grounded, thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you could know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely
I'm just using my Dyson V10 Animal here to vacuum the living room and the kitchen. I do have my robotic vacuum that does come on in the evening, but I wanted to spray mop my kitchen floor tonight because it was a little bit sticky. But normally my little robotic vacuum does the job for me in the evenings, which is fantastic because I don't have to grab out the vacuum and give the room a vacuum. And here I am just filling up the mop with my Co cleaner, and this is a universal cleaner that you can use on the floors, walls, everywhere, and it has no scent, but they do come with essential oils. And I'm just going to pop some lemon essential oils in the bottle, and then I'm just going to mop the kitchen floor. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you needed today. And if you would like some more cleaning motivation, I will pop a playlist below. But I hope you have had a fabulous week, and I will be back with another video in a few days' time. Bye, guys.